everyone. Pi Day is coming up very, very soon. So I thought what better time than now to do this amazing activity. It's one of my favorites. It's getting the students to investigate what pi actually is. So you're going to need these pieces of equipment. If you don't have a measuring tape, then you can simply just use a piece of ribbon and a ruler. So let's get into it. First thing you're going to need to do is draw this table up on your whiteboard. You can get the students to do it in their books, but on the whiteboard means that all of the class is engaged in the activity. You're going to take your ribbon or material, whatever length it is that you're using, and you're going to wrap it around your cylinder. And you're going to use that to measure the circumference. All right, so unravel it, then you're going to take a ruler and you are going to measure what that length is. So that length will now be the circumference of your cylinder. You write that into your appropriate column, and then you're going to do the same, but you're going to measure the diameter. So try to use these bottles with these central divots in them. It just makes it easier to measure the diameter. And once they've measured the diameter, they will get up and they will place the diameter into the appropriate column, and it'll continue like that. So you're gonna get the students to, because most students will come in with a drink bottle of some sort. If they don't, you can just provide them with bottles or cylinders of different sizes, and the idea is we're going to be using these different bottles to get repeat measurements of different circumferences and different diameters for those different sized bottles. So as you can see, I'm just repeating the process. All of the bottles I've used have got these little divots, and I've even used one of the caps because it's got that little central divot as well. And once you have done this, the magic will start to unravel. Now, you're going to also need, so here I am, final measurement. Now, you're going to need a calculator for this part, because what you're going to get the students to do now is to divide the circumference of their bottle by the diameter of their bottle, and to write that in the final column on the whiteboard. Very quickly, what they'll notice is a particular number will appear. It'll all be around the same value. Now, it'll be different because obviously error margins are coming in, and you want to talk to students about that. Once they've got their results, you're going to take the average of all of the kids' results in the classroom, and you're going to write that down, and then you are going to compare it to our favourite number. Here it is, and voila.